Hello and welcome back everyone into this third video of 12th chapter where we're going to talk about conditions and specifically else if condition. We've already seen what is an if condition. Let's see what is an else if condition. Okay, first of all we're going to look at the contents of it so that we know how things are going to go and what all do we have. We have C plus else if condition and with an example. Okay, so what is an else if condition? Let's understand that. So I'll give you a very generalized idea that else if condition is used when you have multiple if conditions and you want to include all of them. Okay, now we'll talk about something known as switch case in the future videos, which also perform the same thing, but else if is something that is used with if. Okay, so this if else if conditions allow you to add multiple layers onto the same system and allow you to add multiple sections onto the same system. So when you have if bracket condition, if this is a true, which is going to happen, if that is not true, it will move to the next else if. Okay, so it's like you're adding if multiple times. So that's how you create a single chain of loop or a single conditioning block, which allows you to make sure that your all the code that you want is like on a single code base and you don't really have to exit out of that loop. Okay, so let's actually move on to the part where we have an example. So this example over here tells us that if time is less than 10, this is going to happen. If time is less than 20, this is going to happen, else this is going to happen. Okay, so now what we did is we have two conditions over here right now. You can have multiple of them, you can have like 10 to 15 of them. That's how even all the alarm clocks work. If it will check for the time. If the time is this thing, then ring an alarm. If the time is not this thing, then do not ring an alarm. So when you have multiple if conditions, those are known as else if, and that's how you execute all of them into a single program. Okay, that is the most bare minimum requirement of understanding how if condition works in advanced complex problems, and I hope you understood how this functions. In the next video we're going to talk about ternary operators. It's an absolutely amazing game-changing operator which allows you to write everything into a single line. So I'll see you all in the next one. I hope you had a great learning, and peace.